Mom, were you calling me? Oh. Oh, geez. What did you get? We have ears, which gives me a relative idea of the category. And we've got Target bags, so what did you find?
I went shopping. Doorable
What?
Academy. Doorable Academy.
Okay.
This box came in the mail.
What do you have?
Oh wait, that's not Doorable Academy. That's a bird.
My mom loves the Target birds.
Oh, here's another bird ready for 4th of July. Oh,
More birds. Okay. Mom, what else do you got?
Doorable Academy. Doorable Academy. Another boy. And Doorable Academy. Only 5.
I see you're 5. And I raise you 3. We are back with Series 2 of Mama Doorables Invasions Academy Doorables Unboxing.
We should get all of them by the time we're done opening.
If we are missing any by the time we are done after 13 packs, something is wrong.
Then we'll hope we have some nice people who can send them their double.
Yeah, we'll see. All right, so Mom, we'll start with 1 today, okay?
Yeah, just one.
Just 1. Yes, we got to space them out. Which one is she going to
Eeny,
pick?
meeny, miny, you. Number 4. Let's see, number 4.
I don't think you pulled that out aggressively enough, but that's
I didn't
okay.
want him to go timber.
Let me move our stack.
I'm guessing.
Okay, how many doorables?
I'm guessing 6.
All right, I'm going to go with 5. Oh, you got 6! All right, let's get them out. Before we do the honorary eating of the box, to recap, these are all the ones that we have.
A lot.
Yes. Are you ready to honorary eat the box?
Yep. Back over. Hopefully I didn't hit a
What
dog.
do you say?
Eat.
You keep
I'm
forgetting
so good.
that.
Eat.
All right, Mom, pick a bag. All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I'm thinking this could be Susie, but let's find out. And
It is.
And I love Susie. She is super
Yes.
cute, but
what do we do with dupes?
she's going in Le Jar de Doux.
Dupe, 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 dupe. All right, pick another one, Mama.
All right.
All right, Mom.
I am guessing Goofy.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh no, it's not.
Ooh, who is it?
I think.
Oh, it's Kristoff.
I think we have. Do we have Kristoff?
We do have this
We
Kristoff.
do. Let me look on this side.
He is a dupe.
He is a dupe. We like Kristoff.
Where do we put him?
He goes in Le Jar de Doux.
Dupe, 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 dupe. Mama's on to number 3. All right, Mom?
I'm gonna guess one of the ducks, Huey, Dewey, or Louie. So
Okay.
We shall see.
We don't have the majority of those. we only have one.
We only have Huey. So let's
maybe it's
see.
Dewey or Louie.
Oh, or is it? Is it?
Our third Dr. Von Trey.
Dr. Von Trey.
Red, yellow, green, red, dupe, dupe, dupe.
Into that doop jar.
All right. We have 3 left. Tally ho.
I'm guessing Cinderella.
Is it Cinderella?
Yes.
Yes.
Cinderella.
And I believe we already have the Cinderella
She
too.
is a dupe too.
So here we go.
Into Le Jar de Doux.
La Jar de Dupe. On to number 5. We're on number 5. We have one more after this. Okay, Mom, what's your guess?
I would love this to be Cheshire Cat because we don't have Cheshire Cat.
Yes.
But I don't think it is.
Who is it?
Oh, wait.
Wait, is it a new one?
Oh, no. This is,
Oh, no.
This is Dale, and he is a
Common.
common, but we do have Dale. Let's double check.
We do
Yes.
have Dale. I'm pretty sure, Mom, that this collection, he's right here. This collection is actually 100% the same as one we've already done.
But that's okay. We'll just add to the dupe jar.
Yep. So guess what? My mom's friend might be getting some of these. So, tally ho, Le Jar de Dupe. Any ideas on the last one?
No clue.
All right. Who is it? Is it a new one? Is it a dupe? Is this 100% dupe? Yep.
Yep, it is.
It's Basketball Goofy.
Basketball Goofy.
Yep. So we definitely had this code already. So into the dupe jar we go. And I think for my mom's one friend, I'm going to pull out a couple. So let's pull these. All right. I think my mom's friend would like this one.
Yes.
I think she would like this
Dale.
one. And I think she would definitely like this Goofy. He's really cute. Yes.
I agree.
She already has a Susie, so we'll give this to her. Does she have a Dr. Von Drake?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So we'll put back in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we have 7 in the dupe jar. Any final comments, Mom, even though this one was 100% ones we already had?
It's still fun to open them.
Yeah, and we have 7 more sets to go. All right, yay!
Yay. Bye.